This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba Ma. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Goodbye Income Tax Act of 1961. Hello New Income Tax Bill, also referred to as Direct Tax Code 2025, is likely to be approved by the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 7th February 2025. After the Union Cabinet clears the income tax bill on 7th February 2025, it will be introduced in the Lok Sabha on 10th February 2025. This bill, being a finance bill, needs to be submitted in the Lok Sabha only, not the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha, however, can recommend amendments to the bill, and it is up to the Lok Sabha whether to accept the recommendations or not. Now, you must be wondering what are the major changes in the new income tax bill 2025, right? No worries. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the new income tax bill 2025 in simple language. So, let's get started. The Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced in Budget 2025 on 1st February 2025 a new income tax bill to be introduced next week, aiming at simplifying tax compliance and reducing litigation, while announcing no tax payable on income up to rupees 12 lakh under the new tax regime in Union Budget 2025 for financial year 2025-26 and assessment year 2026-27 as announced on 1st February 2025. The new income tax bill will be applicable from 1st April 2025, starting from the financial year 2025-26 and assessment year 2026-27. So what's new and what are the changes expected in the new income tax bill? The new income tax bill will replace the existing Income Tax Act 1961, which has 298 sections. Number 1 change: simplified residential rule. It is expected that rules for determining residential status will be simplified. Number 2 change: simplified tax structure. It is expected to have almost half of the provisions of the current tax law. Number 3 change: it is expected that the new income tax bill will make the compliance easier for the taxpayers and the income tax authorities. Number 4 change: minimize legal disputes. The simplification of tax laws to reduce litigation burdens for individuals and businesses. Number 5 change: unified tax rates. It is expected to rationalize tax rates that align with global standards, making India more attractive for both domestic and foreign businesses. What is so special about new income tax bill? The finance minister also said that the new income tax bill will carry forward the same spirit of Nyaya, Hindi word for justice. Moreover, the new income tax bill is completely new and has been rewritten, and there will be no change in tax rates in the bill. Most importantly, about 75% of taxpayers are part of the new tax regime. And after the budget 2025 announced on 1st February 2025 that there will be no income tax on income up to rupees 12 lakh. 95% or 97% of taxpayers of India will now move from the old tax regime to the new tax regime, and the income tax return filing or ITR filing will now be easier. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I sincerely hope this was helpful.